The competition between Microsoft's OpenAI ChatGPT and Google's Bard has sparked a revolution in conversational AI systems, pushing the limits of what these systems can do. With 90% accuracy in understanding natural language and advanced encryption technology to protect user data, Bard is shaking up the game and making AI more accessible and user-friendly. But with the potential to automate jobs and raise ethical concerns, it's essential that the progress of AI is guided by ethical considerations. Get ready for a new era in AI technology, where the sky's the limit and the possibilities are endless. Have you ever talked to an AI system before? Well, this is becoming more and more common nowadays with the rapid development of conversational AI systems. Companies like OpenAI have been working on AI language models like ChatGPT, which is a state-of-the-art AI language model, and now Google has entered the market with its own conversational AI system called Bard. Bard is designed to understand and respond to natural language, making it possible to have a conversation with the system just like you would with a human. This makes Bard a highly promising technology for a wide range of industries, including customer service, healthcare, and others. But what sets Bard apart from ChatGPT and other conversational AI systems? One major difference is the user-friendliness of Bard. Bard has a more intuitive interface and provides users with more control over the conversation, whereas ChatGPT may require some technical knowledge to be used effectively. Another difference is accuracy. Bard has a 90% accuracy rate in understanding the context of a conversation and responding appropriately, compared to the industry average of 80% for ChatGPT. Bard is also highly customizable, allowing companies to tailor it to their specific needs, whereas ChatGPT is more flexible but may not offer as many customization options. When it comes to security, Bard uses advanced encryption technology to protect user data, while ChatGPT's security measures may vary depending on the implementation. There is a concern that the use of conversational AI systems like Bard could lead to mass unemployment, similar to ChatGPT. Both Bard and ChatGPT could also have a significant impact on society and raise ethical and legal concerns, such as the potential to spread misinformation or influence elections. Additionally, both systems have the potential to collect and process vast amounts of user data, making privacy a key concern for both systems. Both Bard and ChatGPT have the potential to be integrated with other technologies, such as voice assistants and chatbots, to enhance their functionality. Bard may have faster processing times due to its advanced design, while ChatGPT's processing times may vary depending on the implementation. Both systems have the potential to be scaled up or down to meet the needs of different industries and organizations, but Bard is currently only available through Google, whereas ChatGPT is available from OpenAI and can be implemented by third-party developers. Bard and ChatGPT are both trained on large amounts of data and use advanced natural language processing techniques to understand and respond to human speech. Both systems have the ability to generate new text based on previous input, making them useful for creative writing and content creation. Both systems support multiple languages, but the specific language support for each system may vary. ChatGPT is open source, meaning its code is freely available for developers to use and modify, while Bard is proprietary software owned by Google. Both Bard and ChatGPT are the subject of ongoing research and development efforts with the goal of improving their performance and capabilities. Both systems have a lot of potential for future development and are likely to play a major role in the future of AI and conversational technology. However, with the competition between companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI, there are also some ethical and legal concerns being raised. For example, there is a concern that AI could be used to automate jobs, leading to mass unemployment. A recent study estimated that up to 47% of jobs in the U.S. could be automated in the next 20 years, which could result in widespread poverty and inequality. On the other side, this competition between Microsoft, OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Google Bard is expected to bring significant advancements in the field of AI, benefiting the users and the industry as a whole. As both companies are investing heavily in AI, They are continuously improving the technology and making it more accessible to the masses. For the users, this could lead to the development of more advanced and user-friendly AI systems. The improvements in language processing, machine learning, and deep learning technologies will make AI systems better equipped to understand and respond to human queries and provide more accurate results. A recent report by Grandview Research estimates that the global conversational AI market will grow at a compound annual growth rate of 24.3% from 2020 to 2027. The AI industry in general is poised to benefit from the competition between Microsoft OpenAI ChatGPT and Google Bard. The company's investments in AI will drive innovation and encourage other players in the industry to follow suit, leading to more rapid progress in the field. However, it is essential to note that the progress of AI technology must be accompanied by ethical considerations and guidelines to ensure its safe and responsible deployment. The industry and relevant stakeholders must work together to develop a framework for ethical AI usage to prevent any potential negative consequences. For example, a study by the Pew Research Center found that 72% of U.S. adults believe that regulations are needed to limit the use of AI in order to protect privacy and prevent discrimination. With the advancements in AI technology, we are also stepping into a new era of search engines. We are witnessing a revolution in the search engine market. The integration of AI language models, ChatGPT and Bard, have raised the bar for search engines like Bing and Google. Imagine a world where you can simply ask a search engine a question and receive an accurate and relevant answer in a conversational and natural way. That's what Bing and Google are offering with ChatGPT and Bard integrated respectively. But they are not just sitting on their laurels, they are constantly innovating and improving. You see, the search engine market is a battlefield, and to come out on top, both Bing and Google need to be at the top of their game. With tough competition from search engines like Yahoo and DuckDuckGo, they can't afford to rest. But with ChatGPT and Bard, they have a secret weapon that could give them the edge they need. Did you know, according to a recent study, Google controls over 92% of the search engine market share, leaving the competition far behind. But with the integration of Bard, Google could further improve its search results and maintain its dominance. On the other hand, Bing is no slouch either. With the integration of ChatGPT, Bing could provide more accurate and relevant search results to its users and gain more market share. And it's not just about providing accurate search results, it's also about offering a more engaging and interactive experience. That's where search advertising comes in. Bing and Google are offering advertisers a range of options, including search ads, display ads, video ads, and more. With the integration of ChatGPT and Bard, they could also offer conversational advertising, providing a more immersive experience for users. In conclusion, the competition between Microsoft OpenAI ChatGPT and Google Bard is a driving force for the advancement of AI technology. Both systems have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and bring numerous benefits to various industries. However, it is important to remember that the progress of AI must be accompanied by ethical considerations and regulations to ensure its safe and responsible deployment. As AI continues to evolve, it will be exciting to see the impact that Microsoft OpenAI ChatGPT and Google Bard will have on our world in the years to come.